All right, so we are down here at the old farm. I hadn't forgot about it. Y'all think I forgot about it? I just ain't having much luck finding what I need. All right, so this pandemic crap is getting on my nerves, but came down here because we got the oldest man's tractor still down here. Y'all see that falling right there? I've been working on that thing for like an hour, and yeah, it looks better than it did an hour ago. So I ran to Tractor Supply and got some stuff. So, well, I would film, but I wasn't planning on filming. So I don't have my camera. I have my cell phone. So I'll try my best to record, but we'll see what happens. So anyways, this is what we're gonna use. So we'll be back. Okay, so I got them cut. Got these little pieces drilled out, so we can try to put them in here. Trying the best I can to get y'all a good shot here. All right, let's see what happens. Y'all gonna see at the same time I am. Well, that seemed to have worked. I'm not going for pretty. I'm going for functionality. All right, let's see what happens here. Okay, now well, there's one of them. Guess I need to try to get this stuff out of there. So I ordered these things on Amazon. These little doohickeys here. And don't waste your time on that, especially in a tractor. Most of you are thinking, well, hey dummy, why don't you just go to the John Deere house and buy another one or buy one aftermarket? So I looked it up. It's $395 at the John Deere house for this new canopy, or this new headliner, for a new headliner. And well, I'm too tight for that. There's one. So I don't know if y'all can see or not, but we are slowly getting somewhere. And it's extremely hot in here. Whew. Man, that is looking like my dad's gonna love me. We actually call this tractor my dad's tractor, because about 95% of the time he's the one driving this tractor. So the good part about that is when something breaks, I can blame it on him. All right, let's get that last screw in right there. Okay. So, try to hold it up there a minute. So, it's not perfect by any means, but I wasn't trying to get it beautiful. I was trying to get it usable. That thing was hanging all the way down here. Like, you can't be doing that business. So, man, we got a smudge all up on y'all. Hold up. Sorry about that. I don't ever clean my cell phone off, you know. So, anyways, it's not the prettiest in the world, but I believe she'll work. So, I'm going to end this video right here. Y'all subscribe to our video channel here, man. Y'all are watching them. Subscribe. Join the rodeo. Let's go. Love y'all. God bless.